Hello again, guys. So, for your fourth lesson this week, you need to open up your Google Drive. Okay, so before we finished up for spring break, every Thursday we were using the Chromebook to work on our narrative writing portfolio. That is going to continue as normal. You have better opportunity now more than ever to spend time working on your narrative writing. So you don't need your interactive notebook for this lesson, but you are going to need to open up your Google Drive, go into your narrative writing portfolio, and start writing your third piece of writing. Okay? So at this stage, you should have shared this folder with me. If you haven't shared it, guys, you have to share it immediately. I cannot stress how important that is. So you just right click it and follow all the instructions that I've given you, or follow the instructions in this slide to make sure that you have shared this folder with me. Your essential question for today's lesson is, how can I apply what I have learned in my writing? And your learning objective is to engage in the writing process and apply new writing skills to your narrative pieces. So here I have, in case you haven't done it already, outlined the steps you need to take in order to share the document with me and to set it up properly. Okay, you should have all of these steps done. Okay, number 5 here is how you share it with me. You just put in my email address. It should come up automatically once you type in TRI. Once that's done, you can get started. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be typing up the narrative piece of writing you wrote in the lesson when you read the poem Nettles. So at this stage, this section of the writing process should be done. This section of the writing process should be done. And so should this section. You should have it all done and your first draft should be completed. What you need to do now is you need to revise it. So you need to go to the fourth step. You need to go here, read back over what you wrote, and now you need to edit it. Once you start editing, you need to make sure that you take note of what changes that you've made so that you can do your exit ticket. You edit it. You add some of the narrative writing techniques that you looked at this week in terms of literary techniques. Can you add a simile? Can you add a metaphor? Can you add